Hey everyone, and welcome to Shuriken Skills number 50 here in the Work Smarter Not Harder dojo with me, Tony Harmer, aka the Design Ninja. This Shuriken skill is to learn how to set new document defaults for InDesign. And if you typically start out with a brand new document each time you start a job and they're all the same format, then this is definitely the shortcut for you. In fact, even if you were doing a series and switching to another format, it's still definitely what you need. Now, InDesign has two particular states. There's the pub state, which has absolutely nothing to do with what people do at weekends, and the non-pub state. Okay, so the pub state means there's an open publication. Non-pub is this state, the one we're currently in. It means there's not an open publication, and it's where we can set our defaults. If I go to the File menu and come down to Document Setup, okay, I can choose my intent from here, the number of pages I want to start out with, whether or not they're facing, the page size. So I'm going to set mine to A4, the default from where I am in the world. That's the size that we've got there. In a portrait orientation, I'm going to add 3mm bleed all the way around, and then I'm going to add 50mm on the bottom there, like so, for extra information for the printer. What about the type that I might start? If you find yourself going up to the type menu and changing that straight away as soon as you get into the document, that's something else we can fix here. Go to the type menu, come down to font, okay, and then from your fonts, you can see I've got a lot in here. Then choose whatever you like. I'm just going to choose something, I don't know, let's have, definitely not brush script. I'm going to choose Courier bold, just there, so you can see it in a minute. That's not what I'd actually use in a document. And I can set the size as well if I want to. I'm going to set that to 24 points, again, just for demonstration, and a few other things besides. Once you're done, you're ready to start creating documents, and I'm just going to hold down Alt or Option and Command or Control if you're on a PC and tap N, and that creates me a new document bypassing the dialog. And if we have a look here, Courier is set as my default font in bold, 24 points, just there. There's my bleed and slug underneath the document. And there you are, that's set as my document default. And that's your Shuriken skill to practice this week. Don't forget, if you want to learn more, even faster, then check out my courses on lynda.com and LinkedIn Learning. Alicia, have you got any advice for people who are just coming to the channel?
Subscribe today and hit the bell for notifications.
Wise words. So there we go. You can feedback to me here via Facebook or Twitter, but for now we're done. And I'll see you next time for another Shuriken Skills episode. See ya.